Becky, do you know anything about the nervous system?
What is that?
I do not know anything about the nervous system.
Rilee, what do you know about the nervous system?
I don't know anything about the nervous system.
Today on the Get Smart Show, we're going to be learning about the nervous system. Over to Briana.
The nervous system is the network of nerve cells and fibers that transmit nerve impulses between parts of the body. The nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, sensory organs, and all of the nerves that connect these organs with the rest of the body. Together, these organs are responsible for the control of the body and the communication among its parts.
The nervous system is like a network that sends messages back and forth from the brain to different parts of the body. When a message comes into the brain from anywhere in the body, the brain tells the body how to react. For example, if you touch a hot pan, the nerves in your skin shoot the message of pain to the brain. Then the brain sends the message back to in your hand, telling your hand to pull away. There's a quick process.
Oh, it's monkeys!
A part of the peripheral nervous system, called the autonomic nervous system, is responsible for controlling many of the body's processes we need to think about. For example, breathing, digestive, sweating, and shivering. A reflex action involves a very simple nervous pathway called a reflex arc. A reflex arc starts off with receptors being excited, then they send signals along a sensory neuron to your spinal cord, where the signals are passed onto a motor neuron. As a result, one of your muscles or glands is stimulated. For example, when a doctor taps your knee or when someone throws you a ball.
The sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for sudden stress. When something frightening happens, the sympathetic nervous system makes the heart beat faster, so it sends more blood to the body. It also releases a hormone that gives extra power to the muscles for a quick getaway, or adrenaline. This process is known as the body's fight or flight.
No, bye. The right atrium. The right atrium is one of the four chambers of the heart. The heart is comprised of two atria and two ventricles. Blood enters the heart through the two atria and exists through the two ventricles. Deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium through the inferior and superior vena cava. Thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped organ located in the base of your neck. It releases hormones that control metabolism, the way your body uses energy. The thyroid's hormones regulate vital bodily functions, including breathing, heart rate, central and peripheral nervous systems, body weight, muscle strength, menstrual cycles, body temperature, cholesterol levels, and a lot more.
Community chest. Eat a balanced diet that includes good levels of B12 and D vitamins, as well as healthy fats.
I think I go to my left one.
Radial nerve affects both sensory and motor.
1, 2, 3, 4. The medium nerve. The medium nerve is a nerve in humans and other animals in the upper limb. It is one of the 5 main nerves originating from the brachial plexus.
The heart is the leader of the autonomic nervous system. It helps regulate body functions such as heart rate, digestion, respiratory rate, pulmonary response, and that's it.
And 6. The spleen. The spleen is an abdominal organ involved in the production and removal of blood cells in most vertebrates and forming part of the immune system.
Oh yeah. What is that mean? The medulla oblongata is the continuation of the spinal cord within the skull, forming the lowest part of the brainstem and continuing control centers for the heart and lungs.
9. Chant. Avoid smoking and drinking excessive alcohol.
Oh.
The sacral plexus is a nerve plexus which provides motor and sensory nerves for the posterior thigh, most of the lower leg and foot.
12. The lumboplexus. The lumboplexus is a nervous plexus in the lumbar region of the body which forms parts of the lumbosacral plexus. It is formed by the divisions of the first 4 lumbar nerves and from contributions of the subcostal nerve, which is the last thoracic nerve. To care for your nervous system, you want to keep a solid sleep schedule, as sleep helps strengthen circuits within the nervous system, which can help with memory. Exercise your nervous system and brain with activities like writing by hand or playing mind games like Sudoku. Take part in exercise that is appropriate for your body. Aim to exercise at least 3 times a week. Maintain a healthy weight, as many conditions such as diabetic neuropathy are closely linked to obesity or overweight.
If you don't take care of your nervous system, you can end up with Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, or MS, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, Alzheimer's disease, Huntington's disease, and peripheral neuropathies. A newborn baby loses about half of their nerve cells before they are born. As they get older, the brain loses almost 1 gram per year. There are about 13,500,000 neurons in the human spinal cord. The total surface area of the human brain is about 25,000 square centimeters.
Becky, now do you know anything about the nervous system?
Kind of. So I think it's like these thingies that are in your spine and make you like be able to move. Kind of.
Cicely, now do you know anything about the nervous system?
Yeah, to care for your nervous system, avoid drinking alcohol and smoking.
Rilee, now do you know anything about the nervous system?
If you take vitamins, better for your nervous system.
Smart today. I hope you learn how to take care of your nervous system, because if not, it'll lead to your death.
Dun dun dun.